welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a fun video. This is going to be a DIY video, a look for less. This collaboration is actually put together by Jaime from Board or Bananas. I will link her channel down below so that you can check it out after my video. She's going to have a playlist. Actually, I might have a playlist as well linked below of everybody participating. So don't forget to check out that playlist. So the DIYs that I am going to be doing today are inspired by items that I found on the Anthropologie website as well as the Urban Outfitters website. I love both of their, home decor styles, a little bit boho, a little bit vintage. So anyway, I love their style, but I thought I could recreate these looks for less, especially because you can't really go out shopping there right now. So the first item is from Urban Outfitters, and it is this wall tapestry. I really thought it was quite pretty, and so I'm just going to take items that I have around my house and recreate it. And then the second item is this little floral arrangement here in kind of like a cloche. I'm just going to find some glass items around my house, as well as I have this cloche that I got from the Dollar Tree I think last Christmas, and so I will be doing something with, I'll be using that to create the little look that Anthropologie has going on. So let's just hop right into it. I will do this sort of speed style, and then I will show you where I end up putting it in my home. Okay, so for this project, I'm going to be using this drop cloth. I found this, or I didn't find this, I had this in my house, and I'm just going to cut off a little strip for the wall hanging. So, again, using what you have. Okay, so because this is sort of going to represent woven sort of tapestry, I don't mind so much that it's fraying here. I just took out the long strings, and I sort of like the texture that this gives, so I did it on both sides, this side and this side as well. Okay, so then this one here is, I think, about 3/4 of a circle, and then the last one is half a circle. So I will just trace 3/4 of a circle on this one and then a line straight across. Was a little too vibrant, so I added some black, just a titch of black to make it a little darker. So I drew my first line up here, and then I'm just going to make the bands along the bottom, I'm just going to fold it up once and then fold it up again, just so that I know that my 4 bands are equal in size. Mop head doll thing that I thrifted a long time ago, and I'm going to use some of these little strands to create the fringe along the bottom here. I'm just going to hot glue them on just to keep it nice and simple. I would love love to use a nice big dowel, but I unfortunately do not have one. So I am going to use these little dowels that I got from the Dollar Tree quite a while ago. I'm just going to sort of glue them together and come up with a really skinny but longer dowel. So 3 is a bit too long. I don't really feel like cutting it. So I think if you can see here, I'm gonna use 1 up top and then 2 underneath, kind of maybe to give it a bit more stability, and then I'll roll it over like that. I searched my basement and various places around my house, and I found these things that I can use for that floral cloche type project. And then I couldn't find any gold spray paint, but I did find this sort of metallic coppery color. So although it's not gold, I think you sort of have to work with what you got, right? So it'll still be the same look. It'll just be different coloring, which is fine. And then I also found this that I thought I would do a sort of extra project, a bonus project. I have an idea for something that I saw on the website. This, I think I got at the Dollar Tree a while ago, and I just had it tucked away waiting for this sort of type of project. So anyway, I have that I can use as well. And then these are the little cloches that I got around Christmas time just last year, and like just this past year, 2019. And I never used them. I used one of them for a project, but I have these 2 left, so I'm going to use them for this project. Going to try and find some plants for our little dome things, cloche things. And we don't live in a climate where the plants are in bloom or anything fancy right now, so it's going to be a lot of dead plants that I think we're going to try and make pretty by painting them. We'll see. But also we do have some moss, so I think that's a big part of this project, and we do have some, so I'm excited for that. All right, we do have moss here, so who's gonna give me some? Oh boy, thank you very much. Lots of moss. Jude?
It smells weird.
Yeah, it smells probably earthy. I love that kind of smell.
Me too.
You too?
I don't know what earthy smells.
Well, what you're smelling right here, smell it?
So dirty. Oh yeah.
That's
I
earthy.
love that smell.
Me
it's so
too.
dirty.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll clean it.
We got some bark here, and some moss, and some sticks. That's what we've got so far. Trying to find some more stuff.
The bases are all gold, or sorry, not gold, copper. And then the lid here is copper. This came out a little crummy because it kind of seeped below the paint, but I just used a razor to sort of like shave the paint off the glass, and it worked really well. So that turned out well as well. So now we get to just play with this type of stuff, put it in. Like I said, I might use a bit of paint here and there just to sort of make some colors pop, just because it is quite, you know, browny colors and stuff. The green is nice. But you know, I might use some acrylic paint. Okay, so the last bonus project, I'm just going to paint on a rainbow on this. I'm gonna flicker some paint on and then cover it with Mod Podge. Really simple, really easy. video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out the playlist linked down below or at Jamie's channel at Border Bananas. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!